Hello grade 8 learners. So ang lesson natin ngayon is subtracting similar rational algebraic expressions. So kung mapapansin nyo, ang denominator ay similar or pareho. Okay? So ang unang natin gagawin is of course, so isulat natin ang denominator. So since na similar lang naman ang denominator, ay kopyahin lang natin 3x squared plus x minus 2. And of course, kopyahin natin yung numerator, x squared plus 5x minus 20. Okay, so minus. So since na minus yan, maglalagay tayo ng parenthesis. Negative 10 minus 6x minus 5x squared. So ayan. So next step is of course, kopyahin muna natin x squared plus 5x minus 20. So yung negative, multiply natin sa lahat ng terms dito. Negative times negative 10 equals positive 10. Negative times negative 6x equals positive 6x. And negative times negative 5x squared equals positive 5x squared all over the denominator. Okay, so ang sunod ay combined like terms. So yung like terms dito is x squared, 5x squared, 5x, 6x, negative 20, and 10. So ipagsama natin. X squared plus 5x squared plus 5x plus 6x minus 20 plus 10 all over the denominator. Ayan. So ang sunod natin na gawin is solve. X squared plus 5x squared equals 6x squared plus 5x plus 6x equals 11x, and negative 20 plus 10 equals negative 10. So plus, pero minus natin kasi ang isa ay negative. Ang 20 ay mas malaki sa 10, kaya sinunod natin yung sign ng 20 na negative, kaya negative dito. All over 3x squared plus x minus 2. Yan. Ang sunod natin na gagawin dyan is, of course, i-factor out natin ito. So, para ma-factor, solve natin dito sa isa pang coupon. So, 6x squared plus 11x minus 10. So, ganito lang pag-factor niyan. I-multiply ito sila, yung first and last term. 6x squared times negative 10 equals negative 60x squared. So, kunin natin ang factor ng negative 60 na makakuha tayo ng sagot na 11x. So, ano kaya yun? Ano kaya ang factor ng negative 60? Okay, so ang factor ng negative 60 is so since na negative to at ang sign natin ay positive and negative, so ang factor dapat natin ay isang malaking positive at isang maliit na negative. So ang factor niyan is 15x and negative 4x. So, 15 times negative 4 is negative 60. And 15 minus 4 is 11. Okay, check. And then, of course, bring down. So, bring down 6x squared. Copy 15x. Copy minus 4x. Bring down negative 10. So, ang sunod dyan ay group natin. Group. kukunin natin ang CMF. Saan ba pwedeng i-divide ang 6 and 15? Yung greatest common factor niya is 3. So, meron tayong x squared and x. So, kukunin natin yung variable na may lesser exponent. Ito yung x. Ngayon, i-divide na natin. 6 divided by 3 is 2 and x squared divided by x is x. 15 divided by 3 is positive 5. So, since napareho yung x, so cancel na yan. Cancel. Wala na. Dito naman, negative 4 and negative 10. Saan natin sila pwedeng i-divide? Of course, sa negative 2. So, yung x, hindi naman siya common sa kanilang dalawa. Kaya wag na natin ilabas. So, negative 4 divided by negative 2 is positive 2. Copy x. And negative 5 divided by negative 2 is positive 5. So, yung 3x and negative 2, pagsama natin. At yung 2x plus 5, magkapareho. So, kopyahin lang. So, ito na ngayon ang factor ng 6x squared 11x minus 10. Okay, so, factor nito ay, yon 3x minus 2 and 2x plus 5. So, ngayon, ang kukunin naman natin ng factor ay yung denominator. Yung 3x squared plus x minus 2. Lipat natin. Ito, 3x squared plus x minus 2. So, ganun pa rin ang proseso. Multiply. So, may negative 6x squared. So, and then yung factor ng negative 6, na ang sagot ay positive 1. So, since na positive negative, ang isang factor ay malaking factor ay negative, ay positive pala, at ang maliit ay negative. So, ito ay 3 and 2. So, positive 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. And 3 minus 2 equals 1. So, nakuha natin. And bring down 3x squared. So, plus 3x minus 2x, bring down negative 2, and igrupo natin. So, kunin natin yung CMF niya. So, 3, labas natin ng 3. X squared x, labas natin yung x. And i-divide natin. 3x squared divided by 3x is x na lang. Kasi 3 divided by 3 is 1. At x squared divided by x is x na lang. So kapag may variable, hindi na natin sinusulat yung 1. And of course, 3 divided by 3 is 1. And x divided by x is 1. So 1 times 1, 1 ang naiwan. And of course, negative 2, negative 2, ilabas natin. Negative 2x divided by negative 2 is x. Negative 2 divided by negative 2 is positive 1. So, 3x minus 2, pagsama natin, 3x minus 2, at of course, yung ating x plus 1 na dalawa. So, ito yung factor natin. Ilipat natin dito. So, ang factor nito ay 3x minus 2 and x plus 1. So, i-cancel natin yung common. Okay. Therefore, ang sagot dito ay yun, 2x plus 5 all over x plus 1. This is now the answer.